Welcome to Heritage Park. What a beautiful Mississippi boat we have here. Look how nice is the reservoir all around. Yesterday they had waves, I thought, like a tornado. But no, today it is just the Mississippi boat and the calm reservoir. Somewhere in Alberta, not so far from Calgary, there was a bad tornado. But here, it's just nice. You can see now my sailing boat. The sun was on my back, so I missed it. Isn't that years ago, when I arrived from Montréal, j'ai appris ce bateau-là. J'ai été au Mississippi aussi. Je parle français là-bas. It's nice. But everything is so expensive. Yeah, you can hear the choo-choo in the park. So I stick on my bike and leave this for tourists. Welcome to Alberta. Nice. Have a nice afternoon. Ah, Ronnie.